Ain't a Dre World video without getting some gas. Got that 93. Man. 54 for 13, bro. Only at 7-Eleven because they shouted me out on their page. Shout out to 7-Eleven, man. What's up, YouTube? Oh, look at the Foxy. That's the only thing about back roads, bro. You gotta watch out for the animals. But V6 24 Mustang pulled up next to me, bro. You know what I'm saying? I hit the gas at the light because he was baiting me. I'm not gonna lie to you. Hit the gas on him and then took an exit because I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I was tweaking, but I heard like police. I heard like, woo. I swear I did, bro. So I did Dolph after that. I swear, bro. I know I wasn't tweaking, bro. But I was already like, you know what I'm saying? I gunned that shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not really chilling about nothing. I'm in the back roads, y'all chilling, y'all vibing. I hope all y'all having a good day. My day was great, man. I just spent it with my girl. Went to King's Dominion. It just been cruising, you know what I'm saying? Cause I've been running up the miles. I'm now at 78,366, man. I want my videos to be a journey with my car, you know what I'm saying? With my cars. I plan on getting cars in the future, of course. But let's go ahead and change up the color on the gauges. I've been rocking the purple a lot lately. Yo, the automatic sport mode going crazy right now. Blue go crazy. Green, white, ice blue. You got the red goes stupid. I like the blue. But like, what about the bottom? You know what I'm saying? Shout out, I forgot your name, bro, at this moment, at time. You know what I'm saying? But you was talking about like my footwork when cutting up. You know what I'm saying? I'll do a mini poo for y'all right here. Nothing too crazy. Look at the moon. We got full moon right now. Who cares about the moon, man? When I do a pool, I like to, you know what I'm saying, chill afterwards. Go to the gauge mode. Sometimes I don't like driving automatic sport mode. Cause sometimes I just be trying to just regularly cruise and it be a little too aggressive. I'm just talking with the windows down. Y'all probably can't even hear me, man. Y'all just want to hit the car. Downshift for me. You always want downshift when I'm trying to cruise. It's okay. Because downshifting isn't good for your engine. Because I'm the first one to tell y'all about, you know what I'm saying? Oh, is that a policeman? Making all the noise. I'm making the undercovers move from their spots to try to figure out where they heard that the sound from. It's just your boy Dre cruising in the back roads. For the ones who regularly watch my videos, man, do you like a lot of cuts or do you like longer form videos? I gotta post a lot more content so y'all can answer that question. Bro, driving late at night is like the best, bro, because don't be nobody outside. This car gonna make me broke because I still haven't put windshield tint on my car, bro. Like, what am I supposed to do? I was rolling so perfectly, bro. Like, come on, man. That shit threw me off, and I still haven't done it. Like, I just can't save the money to do it, bro. It's really irritating me. It's the priority list, man. Like, it's just, what can I do, bro? I'm not really trying to do anything cosmetic to my car, bro. And I'm trying to keep up with maintenance. I'm trying to pay off debt. Try to make sure everything good. Just in case everything happens, I have money to repair. You know what I'm saying? Tires, I need brakes. This car is expensive, bro. To be real with you, man, I don't know what I should do. I don't know if I should sell, try to fix my financial situation. Dude, if I get the car paid off, man, like, that's easy, bro. Bro, I need a program to take off that beat, bro. I hate that beat, bro. Here's the Mustang GT outside. It's a good ass angle, bro. God damn. God damn. Sheesh, like, bruh. Come on, bruh. Don't sleep on Mustangs, y'all. See, like, it's clicking and, like, backfiring. Like, I can see where people don't like the car, you know what I'm saying? Especially, like, the back. But, like, once I get some better quad tips, it's gonna look even better, bro. I need them quad tips. But, like, I want quad tips. Like, I want big-ass shit, bro. Like, I don't... Like, you know what I'm saying? I got this shit. I want some shit that fills up this whole gap. If y'all have this same car, bro, And y'all know some exhaust tips that would fill up that full diffuser gap. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want it full and poked out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? If y'all know some, let me know, bro. Let me know, bro. All my socials is in the description. You can comment under this video. And the wheel scrapes, bro. I need to get this fixed too. I just been lazy. Just been lazy, man. Lazy, bro. Because I just been grinding the bread, bro. I've been trying to just pay off debt, and just do basic maintenance, bro. Like, yes, I want to invest into the business. You get what I'm saying? But I also need to have money, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can't just crash out, bro. I can't crash out, and that's why, like, in the next coming months, I'm going to probably switch the job up. You know what I'm saying? The job going to be switched up, and I need to be more consistent on the channel because I got 4,000 subscribers. Thank you for 4,000 subscribers on this channel, and also I got 4,000 subscribers on my gaming channel. You know what I'm saying? So there's really no excuse why I'm not posting, bro. Like, I just, maybe I'm self-limiting myself. Like, I'm not, like, I don't know, bro. I'm trying to figure myself out. I'm trying to figure life out. I'm trying to figure all this shit out. It's a lot to take in, and I feel like, hey, I'm doing a lot at once. And I went hard on the gaming, you know what I'm saying? I went crazy on the gaming. Like, at one point, it was like booming, and then it's like the more and more I grind it, the less and less the further and further away I got to where I was at, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, then it gets demotivating. Then I feel like maybe what I'm posting isn't good. Nah, I'm searching this content, I'm posting this, I'm posting that. And it's just, I just don't know what to do. Yes, maybe I need to post the same content over and over again. And eventually, maybe, you know what I'm saying, I see the real fucking flaws in the shit. So, because I have a bigger sample of videos. But I have a good amount of videos on this channel, bro. I just gotta get right, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, bro. I appreciate you, watching this video, bro. I appreciate you, you know what I'm saying, to the max, bro. Even just being here, bro. So, your boy Drake, getting in this thing. Better go home, play some 2K. No, I'm not about to play no 2K, bro. I'm about to play Madden 26, bro. I'm about to play that new Madden 26's drop. I already got 500K coins on the MUT, bruh. Off the pre-order points, bruh. Like, that game's so free, bruh. This year's gonna be a lit year, bruh. I'm getting on playing 2K26 as well. GTA, Call of Duty. We lit, bruh. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna chill back home because I drove a lot and it's time to go. I know. I didn't even address it. I didn't even tell y'all, bro. The car is dirty, bro. Do I even gotta tell y'all? Do I even gotta tell y'all like what it is at this point, bro? Cause it's the same shit every time, bro. We just pulled up to the car wash. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm tired of shit. I'm just gonna give her a little spray, a little wash, cause she need it. You see all the spots, bro. Damn, my voice cracking and all that, bro. I give y'all a little time lapse. Let me know how y'all feel about the box braids, bro. Or they're not really box braids. I guess they're box braids, but they're like braids my girl did. Let me know what y'all think about this look. You know what I'm saying? It's alright. I mean, it look alright. Just, you know what I'm saying? My cut ain't all the way fresh, but it's light, you know. But yeah, let me go ahead and knock this out. I'm super duper corn's a positive. Get right. We got 4 minutes. What the fuck is that? Sound like a sniper or all the kitties, man. Sheesh. Man, I need my front windshield tint, bro. I love how I removed the front emblem plate. I bet it's time to air dry this joint. Oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? I got the quiet storm. We all clean now. Time to air dryer. I just wanted a nice spray down. Get all the dirty poop, bird poop, and everything, all the dirt. Now we air dry.